heavy riders. You're joining me on a very cold January day, and I've been asked for my first impressions on the Andromeda Apollo gloves. So I thought, yeah, why not, let's give it a go. These aren't winter gloves, so it's going to be cold, but in the interest of science, here we go. So first off, let's chuck them on, see how they feel. Still feel really nice. There's a nice, I'm not going to pick that up, but there's a nice soft lining in there. I wouldn't say the lining is as plush as the Meteor gloves, but it feels nice all the same. So get them on, get this closed up. Still got a wiring from my heated gloves there. Got there. Go straight away. Feel really nice on your hands. My right hand is slightly thicker than my left one, so I usually have a bit of an issue with gloves. Not major, but from my experience with Andromeda, they do break in, but straight from the off these feel really nice. What a cracking looking glove as well. These are the best looking gloves out there, I think. They're fantastic. 72 quid for these, fucking amazing. Yeah, so straight away it was really nice, good feel from the controls. Get the heated grips on and let's go. I'm off to DD's in Biggleswade for lunch. Yeah, so yeah, so straight away they feel really nice on the bike. They are a short cuff though, so obviously a bit of wind coming up my cuff. But yeah, straight away got good feel from the controls. Look, I've got a good grip on the handlebar grips. Good feel for all the levers as well. Yeah, a good feel for everything that's happening. In terms of protection, you've got usual scaphoid, knuckle, padded bits on the fingers. I'm just going to stop and pull those cuffs down. There'll be someone coming there. It's better. Yeah, so in terms of protection, you've got your knuckle protectors, scaphoid pad there, and some pads on the fingers as well. They're not CE approved. I don't know if that's to come or not. But from my experience with Andromeda gear, I trust it 100%. Yes, so far I have to say, absolutely loving these gloves, and although it's 3.5 degrees, not actually that cold. I mean, I thought it'd be colder than this, but they're right for short journeys in the winter, I think. Yeah, I thought they were going to be a bit airier, so interesting to see how they'll fare in the height of summer. But right now, although yeah, I'm feeling a bit of the breeze, it's not uncomfortable, it's bearable. In terms of fit and finish, build quality, usual Andromeda, top notch. Velcro feels nice and solid. All the stitching looks great. I mean, for 72 quid, which is the current price for these gloves as of January 23, these are an absolute bargain. Beaver sheds, beaver there. Yeah, for 72 quid far as I'm concerned, an absolute bargain. So yeah, in terms of fit on my hands now, these are really comfortable actually. Absolutely loving this. Yeah, feel really good on your hands. That lining is really nice actually. Yeah, get a good feel from all the handlebars are doing, and I'll just come from wearing the Trice heated gloves, so a bit of a difference, yeah. They're not thick, they're not cumbersome. The palm is quite grippy on the handlebar grips. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Yeah, they are absolutely lovely, and they look fantastic. They look really good. These are going to look superb riding on my V-twin. These are going to look fantastic riding my speed twin. In terms of fit again, as you can see there, good flexibility in my fingers, no issues, no restrictions. And as I said, these aren't even bedded in yet. Yeah, it's starting to feel the cold a little bit now, but again, not as much as I was expecting. So you could definitely do some shorter winter rides in these, no problem at all. I don't think they make any claim of them being waterproof, and I'm not sure I'd really expect them to be. Or I'm going back by the beavers. The more I'm wearing these, the more they are literally bedding into my fingers, which is what happened with the Meteors. And they just feel like a second skin, really. For those of you who haven't heard of Andromeda Moto, I'll put a link in the description to them, but they are a Spanish company, ethical, vegan, and they produce motorcycle clothing. They do gloves, jacket and a racing suit for the track. You're ready if you want to. They are amazing people to deal with. Nothing's too much trouble for them. They'll always answer any questions you have. Their products are top notch. So if you're looking for level look motorcycle gear, they are the company to go to. And as I mentioned already, great guys to deal with, and I'm always happy to promote them. I've not paid anything for this. I buy the products with my own money, so this is totally unbiased. If the product was shit, I would say so. And to be honest, even if someone did sponsor me, I still wouldn't bullshit. If you get the feeling that some YouTubers do actually do that, but there you go, that's a discussion for another day. Right, dual carriageway, and yeah, same again. I'm not not the area I was expected to be, so I thought it'd be freezing by now, but no, fine. So I think that'll conclude my first impressions on the Apollo gloves. They look great, they feel great, they're an absolute bargain. They're produced by an amazing, ethical and vegan company. They feel substantial, they feel like they'll protect you in and off. And did I mention that they look fantastic? So yeah, they get the thumbs up from me, guys. These are brilliant gloves. That's it for this one. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.